Hello, my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, thank you again for your continuous support. I am so sorry, guys, about last week. As you can hear, my voice still has a little raspiness to it. My daughter and son-in-law who live with me were sick week before last. And so they gave me their crud, even though we tried to social distance. I know it's just basically a lot of sinus things, but I was going to tape last Sunday, but I just didn't really feel good. I thought I'll do it Monday. And then by Monday afternoon, I had lost my voice and was starting to really lose my voice, and then Tuesday I had lost my voice completely. So, and I didn't feel really, was continuing not to feel great. So I apologize. So, but I am back. I still, like I said, my voice is still not the best, but it's so much better than it was. So, as my week went, I basically kind of like took it easy. I didn't really feel horrible, as bad as I sounded. I had a horrible cough, and I was taking Theraflu and lozenges like crazy. But I was off Monday. I took that off. I was off Monday anyway, so I just kind of took it easy. And I went to work Tuesday. People were like this around me the entire time, but I didn't have a fever. The stuff that I was coughing up was clear, which was probably TMI, but I sounded bad. So by yesterday, I was going to tape yesterday, and I was doing good, but I went to my grandson's flag football, and it was kind of cloudy, and the weather, it was cloudy, and the wind was blowing, and it's kind of started a little bit again. So what I did is I got back on my Theraflu, and so here we are. So today I went to the gym and did my workout and ran some errands, and so here I am. So I hope that your last week was better. And I hope that your Monday is starting off good. I just sound horrible, but I feel fine. So anyway, so that is where I've been on the sick side of, or my health side of my week. Other than that, just working on my fall y'all projects for this month. If you guys are not familiar with Diamond Grandma, she is having a hashtag Fall Y'all 22. I've gotten one completed, and I went just a little bit over, about a half on the second one. And then I am going to be trying to get finishing up on some Christmas canvases. So, but I hope that everybody is doing well. My weekly question this week is, have you ever worked on a canvas and like halfway through it, maybe a fourth way through it, decided it was just not even worth it and thrown it away, or just like stepped away from it, or just like this isn't even worth my effort. I had a canvas that I did, that I worked on for a friend at work. Because if you saw my one unbagging, I did a canvas for a friend that does baking for me sometimes, or not just for me, but for our department. And when I started it, I was like, oh my God, this is fabulous. The symbols were big. Some of the numbers were the same color as what the drills were. So they were a little hard to read. But if you looked at the legend, you could tell what it was. And I thought, this is great. Until I got like in the middle of the canvas, the stick wasn't great. And I really should have used like the baby wipes or whatever, or put more glue down. But it was like right where you didn't know exactly where to put the glue down, because it was just like you would put a drill down and it would slide. And I even had one or two places where it had like just a little popping. And I thought, oh my God, if this was not mine, I probably would have just like, I don't know, not have finished it. I do have a canvas that I got that I don't know if I'm going to finish it. And another thing on the canvas that I'm doing for my friend, she's had this canvas for 3 years. So I don't know if it's just a matter of that it was old, that I don't know how she had it stored. I mean, when she gave it to me, it was still all in the container. And so I don't know, but I finished it. And I'm not really big on sealing, just because some people, and I know like Diamond Grandma uses Miramax, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I felt like it just like really dulled the canvas. So I found a sealant on Amazon. And of course, I don't know the name of it, but I will list it in my, I'll list it in my description. It really, I thought, did a really great job. And I will do a completion, and I'll show you. It did a really, really, really great job, better than I have seen. And so I asked my friend, I told her about the wax, I mean, not the wax, but the canvas not sticking in some places. I said, I would definitely put this behind glass, but even putting it behind glass, I think it still needed sealing. So I was really pleased. I did a before and an after picture, and I will show that in my completion video. So I was really, really, really pleased with it. So that's my question this week. Have you ever thrown away a canvas? And I have. I have some friends that really like Harry Styles. And so I ordered a canvas, another Amazon, and it was terrible. He was so pixelated. It was, I mean, you could tell, like if you put it down and then really took a step back, but it was terrible. I just threw it away and ordered another one, and it still was not the best. It was better than what I did, but it still was not the best. So that's it's probably like just only my maybe second, third, or fourth one that I've made. No, not well. Yeah, definitely a third one that I have just been thoroughly disappointed in. So, and I don't like to do that. Usually I'll finish them and not, just put them aside. I got accustomed that of my parents, that I paid like $40 something, and that was like the early into my diamond art career, and I had not ever paid that much, and it was just, you really had to step away from it, and I was just so disappointed. But yeah, so now when I pick my canvases, especially if I am doing like a budget-friendly one, I really try to read the reviews, especially on the Amazon ones. I really try to read the reviews, and I really try not to go below a 30 by 40. I try to go at least by, like a 40 by 50 or a little bit higher. Or if they give you that option where it'll give you, okay, a 30 by 40 is this much, or 40 by 50 is this much, or so forth. I really try to look for those so that I can get as much detail as I possibly can. I know a lot of people YouTubers that I have watched will say that if you go by a 30 by 40, then try not to have a lot of detail in it, or have like maybe just like a plant, or, just like one picture and not a whole bunch of stuff that's in that particular picture. So, because I know that I've seen a lot of people do 30 by 40s, and they're wonderful. So it's just what you are wanting to have, how much detail that you're wanting to have in that picture. So that is my question. Have you ever thrown away a picture? Have you ever just had to walk away and just like, okay, I'm just going to have to rethink this? So I hope everybody is having a great, like I said at the beginning of your week. The weather is starting to get a little cool here in Oklahoma, which I am not happy about. I want my 100-degree weather back. I'm being a brat, but I do. I don't like cold. So that is what my question is. I hope everybody, like I said, is having a great beginning of your week. And I'm just repeating myself. I'm so sorry. So if you enjoyed this rambling, please hit the like button. If you would like to join me for more rambling, if you would hit that subscription and hit the bell to be notified every time that I put up a video, I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. For the people that have newly subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your continuous support and your always words of wisdom. So I will be talking to you and seeing you in my next video, guys. And remember to keep cool and keep diamond painting. Bye, guys.